In DTF printing, film problems do not always begin at the printer. Sometimes they begin before the film is loaded. A roll may look normal from the outside. The packaging may look fine. The film may be the same grade used before. But after printing starts, the behavior changes. The film curls more than expected. Feeding becomes less stable. Ink does not wet the surface evenly. Powder adhesion feels different. Static appears, or the final transfer does not behave the way it did in the previous run. The manufacturing lesson is that storage conditions can change film behavior before production begins. Storage is not just where the film waits. Storage is part of the process environment. DTF film may look like a simple plastic sheet, but in production it is a layered material. It has a base film, a coated printable surface, and a structure that must stay stable for ink deposition, powder adhesion, feeding, and heat transfer. That material continues to interact with its environment during storage. Humidity can change moisture balance. Temperature can affect dimensional stress and curl tendency. Air exposure can influence surface condition. Pressure from stacking or winding can create mechanical memory. So even if the film specification does not change, the film's operating condition may have changed. Film quality is not only what was manufactured, it is also what condition the film is in when it enters the printer. Humidity is one of the most important storage variables. If film is stored in a very dry environment, it may build static more easily. Static affects feeding, dust attraction, film separation, and sometimes the way the film handles near the print zone. If film is stored in a high humidity environment, moisture can influence the coating, ink wetting, drying behavior, powder adhesion, and transfer consistency. The important point is not simply the humidity is good or bad. The real issue is stability. A film stored under one humidity condition and then moved suddenly into another may need time to reach equilibrium. If it goes directly to printing, the film may be changing while the process is already running. That creates variation that looks like a printing problem, but the root cause may be the environmental conditioning. Temperature also changes the film behavior. DTF film has to stay dimensionally stable through tension, rollers, heat exposure, and printhead clearance. If storage temperature is too high, too low, or unstable, the film can develop stress that appears later as curling, waviness, or feeding instability. DTF printing depends on a predictable film path. If the film curls, lifts, waves, or resists feeding smoothly, the print process loses stability. So temperature control is not only about protecting inventory, it protects the geometry of the printing surface. Storage also includes packing, stacking, and roll handling. A film roll is under warm tension. If it is stored with uneven pressure, crushed edges, losing packing, or post-port mechanical stress can be introduced into the roll. That stress may not be obvious at first. During unwinding and feeding, it can appear as edge curl, uneven flatness, diagonal tension, or local deformation. This is why storage damage is not always a visible scratch or dent. Sometimes it is a change in mechanical behavior. The film still exists, but it no longer enters the printer as a neutral, stable surface. The printable coating is where storage becomes especially important. DTF ink must wet the coated surface in a controlled way. The wet ink layer must then hold powder consistently. If storage changes the surface condition, the whole chain can shift. Ink may spread differently. Powder may adhere more heavily in one area and less reliably in another. During transfer, those differences can be texture changes, edge instability, density variation, or adhesion inconsistency. This is why film behavior should not be judged only by behavior before printing. A surface can look clean and still behave differently because the interaction condition has changed. Storage issues are hard to diagnose because the symptoms appear during printing. Curl shows up in the printer. Static shows up during feeding. Ink wedding variation appears in the printed image. Powder adhesion changes at the powdering stage. Transfer inconsistency appears at heat press. A condition created during storage can move forward through the process and only become visible when ink, powder, heat, or pressure interacts with the film. So do not only ask what changes at the printer, ask what condition the film was in before printing started. A practical manufacturing concept here is acclimation. If film has been stored in different environment from the production room, it may need time to adjust to the room's temperature and humidity while still protected from contamination. Acclimation helps reduce sudden dimensional movement, moisture imbalance, static behavior, and the surface response changes. The goal is not only to keep film safe in storage, but to bring it into printing in a stable state. The larger lesson is that DTF printing is a system. Film manufacturing determines the structure and the coating. Storage determines whether that material remains stable before use. Printing, powdering, curling, and pressing determines the final transfer. If storage is uncontrolled, the process starts with uncertainty. Two rolls from the same patch may behave differently. If one was sealed, supported, and conditioned correctly while the other was exposed to humidity swings, heat, pressure, or long open air storage. When film behavior changes unexpectedly, check the storage history, temperature, humidity, packing condition, exposure time, roll pressure, edge condition, and acclimation before printing. Storage conditions affect DTF film because film is an active process material. not a passive object. Humidity can change moisture balance and static behavior. Temperature can affect shape and feeding stability. Packing and pressure can create mechanical memory. Surface condition can change ink wetting, powder adhesion, and transfer behavior. The manufacturing insight is simple. A stable print process needs stable material before printing begins. So when DTF film behaves differently, do not start only at the printer. Look upstream. Ask how the film was stored, how long it was exposed, and whether it had time to acclimate. That is how storage moves from being a warehouse habit to a manufacturing control point, and how DTF troubleshooting moves from reacting to symptoms to controlling the full process.